Regulatory technology platforms versus regulatory law firms. Which one is better for financial services compliance? Most financial institutions assume that compliance comes solely from traditional regulatory law firms. But the surprising truth is that regulatory technology platforms (RegTech) can significantly improve efficiency, reduce errors, and streamline compliance processes. Regulatory law firms offer expert legal advice, interpret complex regulations, and provide formal guidance or representation in regulatory investigations. They are essential when handling enforcement actions, drafting compliance frameworks, or resolving disputes. However, relying solely on lawyers can be slow, resource-intensive, and reactive, especially as regulations evolve rapidly. RegTech platforms automate compliance monitoring, reporting, and risk management. They use AI, analytics, and workflow automation to track regulatory changes, flag potential breaches, and provide actionable insights. For example, a bank can use a RegTech system to automatically monitor transaction data for anti-money laundering risks, generate compliance reports in minutes, and ensure timely filings with regulators. This proactive approach reduces the risk of penalties and frees up internal teams for higher-level strategic tasks. The key difference is reactive expertise versus proactive automation. Law firms provide legal certainty and interpretive guidance, while RegTech platforms enhance operational efficiency, continuous monitoring, and compliance scalability. Many institutions combine both. RegTech handles ongoing operational compliance, while law firms advise on policy, risk, or regulatory enforcement. The takeaway is clear: for financial services, RegTech accelerates compliance, improves accuracy, and reduces costs. Legal counsel remains essential for interpretation and strategic decisions. The surprising truth is that technology, when paired with legal expertise, allows firms to stay ahead of regulatory change rather than constantly catching up.